Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I'm back to share just a really quick birthday share. So my son is turning 16, so I just wanted to make a simple card using some new products that I got from Tailored Expressions. My boyfriend wanted a card as well to give to him, so this worked out really well because you could make 3. So I really love their layering stencils. So they have a quad stencil that makes regular A2 size cards, and then of course they have their triple slim, which makes excuse me, 3 mini cards, or mini slim cards, excuse me. So the way that it works is you just layer the stencils. Each one you do a different color. They're an accompaniment. There's dies that accompany it that can kind of stretch it out a little bit more. I didn't buy the candle die. I thought it was a little pricey. I want to say it was over $20. So I didn't buy that one. So, because I think the look of the candles by itself is fine. I did, however, buy the, what is it? The balloon die that goes with it. So the balloon die will, I believe you could cut the balloons out if you wanted. You could, die cut them, or you could just cut them out, whatever material that you want to use. So I did cut them out in all the colors that I used in these cards, and then I just used some of these balloons on every card. So just, for a little extra something, but they don't need it. I mean, I think they're really cute by itself with just a sentiment. So I also used, which is also new in their birthday release, is the bold birthday backer and the bold birthday die. So, but I also have this one right here, which I didn't use the sentiment, but this cuts that. So if I wanted a different look, I do have this other happy birthday. But I did use the Let's Celebrate and May All Your Wishes Come True on the inside of the card. So I can show you that. So the colors, I just used a red, a yellow, a blue, and a green. And then on the last color, which was green, I did some, some, what do you call it? It's kind of like a stickles. But I think it's a Tailored Expressions. I really like it. It's very light and fluffy and easy to use, and it doesn't dry out right away, and that's this iridescent glitter. So I really like that one a lot, and so it's their happy medium. So I did use that on the very last layer. So what I do is I just do the color, and then I take a palette knife and I just go over really quickly on this with the stencil still in place with the iridescent glitter, happy medium, and it gives it just a very light glitter finish. And then I did use a few little enamel dots that I got as a freebie in, I think it was a Tailored Expressions package. So I used that. So here's the first card, and so for the backers I just did black, and I did red for all of the happy birthday. And so we've got this one and this one, and then on the inside I just did a quick, this one says May All Your Wishes Come True. This one says Let's Celebrate, and this one says Let's Celebrate as well. So I love how they came out. They're really super easy and fun, and so if you just want something like to make simple birthday cards, you could just buy this die, and you wouldn't really need much else. You just use whatever sentiments you have. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.